In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a Google account from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to your iPhone settings. To do that, we need to find that icon on our home screen. If you can't find this icon on your main home screen, you can swipe left and it probably located on another one. However, if you still can't find it, you can just swipe down at any of your home screens and then just search for settings in this way. After that, go to settings, scroll down until you find mail, then get into it, and that's where we can easily find accounts. If we tap on it, we'll be able to get into iCloud accounts and Gmail accounts. In my case, Gmail means Google, so we need to tap at Gmail, and on that step we'll be able to delete the particular Gmail account from our iPhone just by hitting at delete account button. To confirm it, tap at delete from my iPhone. Deleting this account will remove its calendars, notes, and contacts from your iPhone. It will not remove the account, it will just unlink it from your iPhone.